Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Lighting. It's your boy Paul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Let your friend and family know about the channel. Let's grow the channels together. It's been quite a red day. Let me say a red week anyway, because we have been seeing how the crypto market is still moving in the same dimension for the past 8 weeks now. We can see how the market is reacting, where BTC going to 32, 31, 500, 31, 200, come back down to retest 28, 29, and go back every week the way we have been seeing it. And even I'll be seeing many technical analysis about people talking about BTC. This is the end of bear market. This is the end of the red week, which I think, looking at this chart and all this candlestick, in my own opinion, I don't think we are still in the end for now, because if we see this candlestick in a weekly, where we are talking about from 9 straight week of red, where last week was closing candle of last week was quite a green one, where people are talking about this is the end. And now this is another week, which is today is Tuesday anyway, and we are still seeing the same pattern playing out here. It doesn't matter to me if it is green or red. Meanwhile, looking at this green candlestick, which is last week on, where we closed, it's called about shooting star. And anytime you see a shooting star, it doesn't matter it happened at the top, where this is a shooting star here, this is a shooting star here also. It doesn't matter it happened at the top. You can just have a fake green candle and we come down back. But as a trader, especially if you are a future trader, that's the reason why it's really very important for you to study candlestick very well. All these candlestick has the pattern, they have the meaning, the way they are forming, the way the reaction of the market is. This is how all this candlestick works. And this candlestick that I'm seeing that is green is a shooting star. And to me, I'm not convinced enough that we are not going to come down more or we go up more, because it depends on how the market reacts. But I don't think this is still the end of bull market. This is still the end of bear market anyway, because you can see until when we see the close of this candle, but they are still in the same pattern now. But anytime as a trader you see a candlestick like this, most of the time it's always happen at the top. It's always happen at the top uptrend over here before we have a fake out and we come down to come and retest. You just need to exit your trade. That's how trading analysis work at times. That's why it's very important for you to study candlestick also, if you know you want to come into trading system fully, so that markets won't be deceiving you or be losing your money anyway. And let's see how this week works. Let's see how this candlestick is still going to close. But I don't think we are staying in the end of this bear market, because everything is still working in the same direction anyway. And in weekly, this is how the charts look like, and we are in critical situation over here, because if you see how the weekly here, where the retest is over here, you can see where we are in this 29k, 28k is a very important place for us to hold, because if we don't hold it well, it's going to have a lot of events concerning BTC for us to come down more. What is happening? And that is the reason why we need to be very careful here as a trader. This is a very key level. You can see how many times we have retested this angle, and if we break down, maybe we are coming back to 28 or 25 to retest back. Let's hope and see how it works anyway. And that's just a little things that I want to talk about BTC chart. And we all know that BTC chart is the father of all this altcoin. Even Ethereum also the same pattern. all these altcoins are in the same pattern, forming of candlestick with BTC. We can see how sell off everything is. Guys, just need to be very careful here and trade responsibly, and don't put all into your trade. That's just what I'm going to advise and tell you, because technical analysis is very, very important at times in trading. And if you know, in this situation of market, the best thing, do DCA and a good protocol. You find a good protocol or protocol that you have been looking at for the past a year, 2 years, and you see that they have a good potential. Do DCA on it if you have the money. And I understand the situation of things at times that many people doesn't have the cash now because of the market cash them, and a lot of speculation out there. There's a lot of fear in the market, which everybody know. But in my own opinion, with what I have studied in the market, this market is still in downtrend, and anything can still happen. You just need to keep eyes on it and look smart. Do DCA. Even future trading for now is like a manipulation in my own opinion. But if you are smart enough, you can trade it and you make your own daily bread. Like one of my friends, as my colleagues also, is making his daily money in future trading anyway. I don't know. I didn't quite put enough energy on future trading like that, because I believe in spot trading anyway, in my own opinion, except if the bull run started back. But you just need to practice and know what is how the reaction of the market is going. But if you know that you don't have more experience concerning technical analysis, I will advise you just stay away from future trading now, for you to avoid losing money. But it's possible you can make your target if it is $10 per day, $20 per day, maybe with $100 portfolio or $200 portfolio. Because for example, like my friend now, he has a 1,000, he loaded $1,000 on his $1,005 on his trading portfolio, and since last week he has been making that target. He said he doesn't want to be greedy anymore since he has lost a lot of money, that at least maybe per day, if he's seeing $50 per day, is okay for him for now, which I quite abide with it also, with 1,005 portfolio. If it is stable, it's something good. But you need to take $50 also, you need to be very, very smart. That's just how it is at times. You want to make it to be happen like that. And at times they make $100 also as a profit, because you see every time, every minute, every second, show me how it goes. We talk about how the reaction of the market normally works. Guys, play safe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Trade safely, guys. See you next time.